We are Sharon and Joe. Welcome to our adventures. We spent the last year traveling across the country and documenting our experiences. Join us as we embark in a new series as we wade into the world of West Coast fisheries.
We will take you along as we learn how to fish, clam, and crab, and learn from our mistakes as we go. We'll even try some new recipes to bring out the flavor of our fresh catches. If fishing is not your thing, continue to join us each Sunday for our travel series.
We have driven back to Washington and we're going to try some razor clamming here on the beach. It's a minus 1.5 foot low tide and they've opened the season for a few days. They do testing for domoic acid here, which is really toxic, and it's best that you don't eat it. So they test for us here in Washington, and then you're allowed to go razor clamming when they open it.
Yeah, we were supposed to go in Oregon, but for whatever reason theirs has acid.
We don't understand
I don't understand it,
yeah.
But so we drove pretty far just to come here today, but that's okay.
About 75 miles, but not too bad.
Yeah, this is our first time ever doing this, and we don't know what we're doing, so hopefully we do good.
And this is really cool because you can drive your vehicle right onto the beach here. Check it out. And you want to do this on a low tide. The lower the better, actually. And tonight's a minus 1.5, like I said. So wish us luck. We'll see what happens.
Oh, we think this is a show right here.
We'll try it and see what happens. Look, there he is.
Yay! We got our first razor clam, baby!
There he is. Right in the gun, just like he was supposed to be. That was perfect for the first time. He's a small one, though, from what I understand, but you're allowed to keep 15 of these per person, so.
But you cannot put any back. So once you get one, you have to keep it, even if it's broken. It's behind you.
Go like just like that. Drive it and twist as you go. Put your weight on and twist. There you go. Come on, honey, you can do it.
It's hard.
Hold it. No, yep, there you go. Try again. That's good. Pull it up. If they're broken, you still have to harvest them, and they're still perfectly fine to eat.
Yay! See?
They're females, they're like laying eggs or something.
Oh man!
Yeah.
Go back and lay your eggs. Oh my god!
No, he's not like this.
There he is. Oh, he just squirted water out. Big one.
Razor clam for dinner. There it is. I saw it in there.
Hi. I did it myself without your help.
Hey, we got another one.
That was cool. Except my hair looks like a mess.
Razor clamming hair.
Yeah, that's a lot of work. I could definitely get my workout on doing this. Oh, look at the sun.
It's easier to dig in.
In the water. There it is, right here. It's a big one.
Down. Put that one in your bag.
Okay, go ahead.
It's getting dark and we're still clamming, so let's see how it goes in the dark here. We already have about 15 clams, so almost one limit.
But we are trying to get both limits.
We're trying to get 30, so we'll see how it goes, guys. Stay tuned. Razor clams, and hopefully we'll have a nice fry. They're supposed to be delicious. I've never had them. We'll see what happens. Oh, I just wanted to show you. I soaked them. Before I left the ocean, I took a half a bucket of seawater and I soaked the clams, left them in there overnight, and they expelled so much sand. Check it out. See all that sand in the bottom? That all came out of the clams, so it helps a lot to soak them overnight. These are supposed to be delicious although. I believe they're called the adductor mussels, and you just scrape them off. It's supposed to be amazingly delicious. We'll see. Nothing but the shell left on this part. Two nice clam strips. And then this middle part is supposed to be a little different. This is supposed to be the most delicious, tender part of the clam. A lot of people will throw this away. I'm going to save it.
We got 4 pieces. Ready for frying. Oh, and by the way, I have about 19 more of these to do.
Okay, our butter's melted in. Now I'm going to add the diced potatoes. Stir it up to incorporate all that flavor. Now I'm going to cover this with broth, enough just to cover the potatoes, and I'm going to let the potatoes cook. That's going to cook for about 15 minutes, I'd say, until the potatoes are just al dente. We'll go from there. So our potatoes are cooking. We got about 5 minutes left, and then we're going to add in the cream and turn it into a potato soup. It's going to be good. Okay, so our potatoes are al dente. I've reduced the heat to a low simmer. I'm going to add some half and half. Or you can use light cream or heavy cream, whichever you prefer. Now we have a potato soup. This is the base for my clam chowder. I'm going to decant some of this for my wife because she has a shellfish allergy. She's going to have it just like this. I'm going to put a little bacon on top for garnish, and she's set. But we're going to continue making our clam chowder, so stay tuned. So next step, we have our clam juice and our chopped clams. I'm going to incorporate them into this. Once again, I'm on low heat. Brought up the heat a bit. I'm going to incorporate the clams and the juice into this amazing razor clam chowder. Check it out. Clams only take about 5 or 6 minutes to cook, and that's all this is going to take to be done. It's going to be incredible. I'm going to let it simmer here for about 5 or 10 minutes. That's it. It's ready to eat. So hopefully I've been able to show you guys a little bit about how a New England clam chowder is born from a potato soup. And that's exactly what I did today. I have 2 pots here, one for my wife, which is just potato soup, and one for myself, which is razor clam chowder. I'm going to serve it up here in these nice little bowls. And for my garnish, I have the bacon crumbles and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Should be good.
We enjoyed razor clamming on the Washington coast. Our clam chowder was delicious. All the information about licensing, season openings, and catch limits can be found on the WDFW website. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next adventure.